Israel is facing significant resistance as part of the peace talks with Hamas. One aspect of these talks is the demand to sever ties, which are already fragile. People believe that such ties should not be destroyed unless absolutely necessary, even in wartime. Another part of the deal with Hamas remains unclear. On the front lines, the Zionist opposition, including groups aligned with Smotrich and other hardliners, has begun widespread protests. They are against any concessions to Hamas. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has refused to finalize any deal, which many perceive as a direct threat to peace efforts. The nation appears divided between those who support negotiations and those who oppose them. Those advocating for peace aim to reconcile with relatives and facilitate the return of displaced people. However, extremist factions in Israel, who oppose any form of cooperation with Hamas, are pushing to abolish the group, shut down Gaza, and block humanitarian aid trucks heading there. These actions have sparked criticism both domestically and internationally. The growing unrest has disrupted Israel's internal stability. If European leaders like Minister Ben-Gvir predict no peace for Israel, this could escalate tensions further. Within Israel, the situation seems to be spiraling, with extremists claiming they can eradicate Hamas and destroy Gaza entirely. They are vocal against figures like Ben-Gvir and Smotrich, while Netanyahu faces pressure from the US for his actions. Israel is concerned about a potential arms embargo, especially if Donald Trump returns to power. Trump has signaled support for Hamas in Palestine, suggesting he could end the conflict through negotiations. The US, which provides billions in aid to Israel, could play a decisive role. Unlike Biden, who has been a consistent ally to Israel, Trump appears focused on ending the war and is receiving backing from Netanyahu. However, domestic support for Netanyahu is waning as opposition grows within the country. The question remains whether American support under Trump or Biden will influence Israel's future direction, as the nation grapples with internal and external pressures.